effective is MRGFUS compared to traditional surgical methods?
The Parkinson's disease is treated by two means: drugs, medical treatment. Second, neurosurgical treatment. The neurosurgical treatment is essentially a thalamotomy, procedure called thalamotomy, initially done by radiofrequency ablation, then deep brain stimulation, and now MRGFUS. All procedures are good. Earlier procedure, radiofrequency ablation, had many complications. DBS also is an invasive procedure, and it also requires placement of electrodes inside the brain. Minus all these things, totally non-invasive is MRGFUS. So the difference is it is non-invasive and no foreign body in your brain. These two things are more important in MRGFUS. The advantages of MRGFUS: non-invasive, no foreign body inside.